Guys, and welcome back to my channel, Inside Our Triangle, where we think outside the box. My name is Teray, and this is Struggle Meal September, meaning that throughout the entire month of September, I'm going to be posting videos of affordable meals. You can make them for 1 or 2 people, or you can stretch it and make it up to a large family. It'll be a meal for a large family. So, today's recipe is going to be banana bread. Now, because my channel, we think outside the box, I always try to add a little something extra, a little twist to my recipes. So, keep an eye out for that. Let me go ahead and introduce the ingredients. What you're going to need today is oatmeal. This is going to be you thinking outside the box. Brown sugar. And I know somebody commented on why I keep marshmallows in there. I've learned that if you keep marshmallows in with your brown sugar, it helps keeps it soft, pliable, and you're able to actually use it. It's not rock hard like it usually gets. Another thinking outside the box item is going to be mayonnaise. And if you've checked out any of my other videos where I bake, remember I'm not a baker. I am a savory cook. So I use mayonnaise that helps with the moisture. Another thinking outside the box item would be, and I'm trying to be as careful as possible because of those eggs, pancake mix. Complete pancake mix. That way it includes the flour, it includes like eggs, it includes the baking powder that you need to help your whatever you're cooking rise. You're going to need some eggs, some ripe bananas, melted butter, cinnamon, salt for flavor. Then this is optional actually. I'm going to top my banana bread with this and butter to just give it a little something extra. Then we need the premium vanilla. Okay, I do, spend a little bit more for my vanilla because I like the flavor. So sometimes you can get this from a dollar store. I thought I saw it in there the other day, but usually I get it from Amazon or Walmart. So let's get these items together and we'll go ahead and get started. But before I cut away to the next scene, we're actually going to toast the oats in a frying pan.
That and getting toasted, nicely toasted.
For about 3 to 4 minutes. I don't think I'll talk during that segment. I just wanted to show you that I'm going to take, just to, kick the flavor up a notch. We're going to go ahead and toast it in a low heat, no butter, no oil, just to get that nuttiness flavor to come out of the oats, okay? So I'm going to use about a packet and a half, because I use the other half later on. A packet and a half in a frying pan just to toast up those oats. So, let's go ahead and get started. And here is the finished product. Guys, please forgive me. My cell phone actually died in the middle of me making this recipe. So I did include the recipe down below, and I will re-record this video. But remember, this is Struggle Meal September, so I'm trying to do a meal every day and post that video. So one day I will circle back and show you the entire procedure for the recipe. But here is the finished product after my phone decided it wanted to start working again. Okay, now remember, it's not going to puff up as much as it should or what you're used to because there's not enough baking powder in the pancake mix, but it's still hot, fresh out the oven, and delicious. Let me give you your bite. Let's see how moist it is. Let me get it close so you can see how moist. Very moist. Look at that juice. Wonderful. Moist. That's your bite, and here's my bite. Really good. Immediately you taste the cinnamon. There's some toasted oats there. You can taste that. It's warm. The vanilla is delicious. So is that brown sugar. And then I topped it with that caramel sauce, with that caramel butter sauce. It's really good, guys. Give this a try. You can taste the bananas. Really good. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will circle back and show you the entire procedure for this particular banana bread at a later date. But I wanted to make sure that I say what I do and I do what I say. So I'm going to give video out every single day in the month of September. These are difficult times with inflation and gas prices and food prices and COVID. So guys, please take care of yourself and one another. Don't forget. Bye.